So moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is not a ground for the disqualification under anti-defection law? It is asking for not correct, so please be vigilant about it. A. An elected member voluntarily resigns from his political party and joins any other political party. Yes, that is right. It is actually a disqualification under anti-defection law. Hence, it cannot be the answer for this question because it is asking for not correct. An elected member votes or abstains from voting contrary to the party whip. This is also right. This is also not the answer for this this question because it is actually a ground for disqualification under anti-defection law. C. An independent member of legislature joins any political party. Again, this is also a ground for disqualification under anti-defection law. Hence, this is also not the correct answer. So again, Delhi, you can say about it, but again, just let's go for it. A nominated member of a house joins a political party within 6 months after becoming a member of the house. So yes, that is right. That is the right answer. It is not actually a ground for disqualification. So let's discuss about what all are actually the grounds for disqualification. Elected member voluntarily gives up the membership of his political party and joins any other political party. That is the first important one, that he voluntarily gives up the voluntarily. That is, it needs to be stressed up. It is voluntarily giving up. Second, elected member votes or abstains from the voting contrary to any direction that is issued by the political party. That is also known as party whip. It is also right. Now, third one, independent member of the legislature joins political party after being elected. Yes. So, third one is, so this is actually grounds. Now, fourth one, nominated member joins a political party 6 months after becoming a member. So, only when he actually joins a political party after 6 months, he will be coming under this disqualification grounds. So, other than that, if he actually joins within it, within this 6 months, he will not be actually coming as a ground for anti-defection law.